Hello everyone, this is 14-inch Android tablet with plastic case. The touch screen is 10-point capacitive touch. It has two colors, black color and white color. The screen brightness is 250 nits with 1920 multiply 1080 resolution. It's matched with 2 million pixel front camera and 3 watt speakers. We offer various configuration. For memory, 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB are optional. For storage, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB are optional. For processor, we offer a Winner CPU and Rockchip CPU, which include A64, RK3188, RK3288, and RK3399. The Android tablets support Wi-Fi, Bluetooth function. Besides, we offer different operating system and brackets to satisfy your requirements. You can choose the suitable one. We offer OEM service. If you would like to customization for logo, interfaces, function, please contact us to get quotation. At last, let us have a look at this product.
Thank you.